Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 115 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today, I have another product from the amazing and generous Lisa, who gifted me with so many different makeup products to try out on my channel. This is the Sleek Makeup Eyeshadow Palette in When the Sun Goes Down. I have never tried anything from Sleek Makeup, so I'm very excited to try this. Another thing I really want to do on my channel is try different makeup brands that I've never tried before. So if you have any recommendations for other makeup brands for me to try, leave them in the comments down below. So you can buy Sleek Makeup eyeshadow palettes on Ulta for $12.99, and they had so many different versions of these palettes, like so many different color combinations. This one looks so beautiful. Kind of warm tone, bronzy, neutral types of shades. Shades that look like they can really go from day to night. These are also mineral based eyeshadows. I love that for such a small palette, you get a very nice big mirror. This whole part here is a mirror. So there are 12 shades in here, and it looks like you get 2 matte shades and the rest have shimmer. Some of them look more metallic than the others. You go ahead and swatch a few. I'll try out this kind of metallic looking gold. Oh my gosh. It's like the perfect fingertip size. Let's try this matte shade. Oh. This looks like a pretty champagne-y shade. And then I have to try out this copper shade here. These look like they have a lot of pigment on them. Wow, those are so pretty. That gold, oh my gosh, that has so much pretty pigment. The metallic sheen is so pretty. I'm so excited to create an eye look out of these. For my transition crease shade, I like to use a medium toned matte brown, so this is perfect for that. Wow, that looks awesome. I also forgot to mention that I did already prime my eyelids using the Tarte Shape Tape. I have to say the amount of kickback that I'm getting in this palette is kind of crazy. And because they're such small pans and so close together, the kickback is like getting into the other shades. So that's kind of a problem. Next, I'm going to go in with this kind of bronzy brown shade and put that underneath the crease that I just created. Side note, can I just say I'm so happy that it's Lily Pulitzer season again. I mean, I love Lily Pulitzer so much that I pretty much wear it year round, but I'm so excited I can break out all of my dresses again. I saw that Lily Pulitzer just came out with a tennis line, and tennis is my favorite sport to play, so I'm gonna need to get some of that. Next, for all over my eyelid, I'm gonna go in with, let's do this kind of taupey metallic shade. I'm going to apply it with my finger since it's shiny, and I think I'll get the best pigment payoff using my finger. Yeah, that looks really pretty. I love the kind of foiled effect of it. All of these colors complement each other so nicely. I feel like you could choose any combination of these shadows and it would look great together. And now for the lower lash line. Typically I would just incorporate the same colors that I use on my lid onto my lower lash line, but because I'm trying out a few different colors, I'll go in with, let's do this one on the end. This is kind of a medium toned brown, but with some metallic and shimmer to it. Basically like the metallic version of the matte shade that I used in my crease for the transition. Okay, so here is the finished eyeshadow look, and wow, I feel like sleek makeup makes a good eyeshadow. They have such great pigment and they all blend so nicely. And you know what else? They are not creasing at all. And I have very creasy eyelids. I love the size of this. It's so compact, so easy to travel with, because some of those eyeshadow palettes are ginormous. Like, how are you supposed to travel with those when they're like the size of a laptop? This one, you get a great size mirror, it's great pigment. I would definitely prefer to bring something like this when I travel, but I also love how it looks, so I would use this to create a daytime eyeshadow look, a nighttime eyeshadow look. This is definitely my favorite eyeshadow palette that I've tried out so far on my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.